in Abu Dawud, hadith number 3116, that if anyone whose last statement is La ilaha illallah, he shall enter paradise. In context, of course, it is with sincerity. Without sincerity, it is useless. And if you read what the scholars have said, Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah, he said that ikhlas means purity, without contamination. Ikhlas refers to Allah alone, who is pure, and you worship Him alone, without any contamination, and give your due worship only to Him, your obedience to Him, seek protection from Him, only fear Him and love Him, and no one else. This is ikhlas. And he says, for ikhlas, he says, it's important that it should be for Allah alone and no one else. If you read the statement of Shaykh al-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah, he says that Islam's essence is ikhlas. And ikhlas is La ilaha illallah. And Ibn Taymiyyah says that if La ilaha illallah is said without ikhlas, even the munafiqeen, they said La ilaha illallah, they even prayed, they even went for jihad, but there's no ikhlas. They didn't do it sincerely. They did for other reasons. And Allah says in the Quran, they will be in the depths of hellfire. The munafiqeen will be in the lowest depths of hellfire, much worse than the mushrikeen or the kafir. Munafiqeen will be in the lowest depths of hellfire. Therefore, sincerity, ikhlas, is the most important factor. And the scholars say that there are 7 criteria required for ikhlas. Number 1 is ilm, knowledge of the meaning. It's not jahal, it's not ignorance. Number 2, yaqeen, being absolutely sure, no shak, no doubt. Number 3 is maqbool, acceptance, not rejection. Number 4 is personal submission. Number 5 is al-sidq, truthfulness, absolute truthfulness. Number 6, al-muhabba, absolute love. And number 7 is ikhlas, sincerity without contamination. If you analyze, a person may have knowledge, he may have yaqeen, he's sure about it. He may have maqbool, he accepted it. And he may have personal submission, may have truthfulness, may also have love. But if he does not have sincerity, the last factor, it is useless. So sincerity, ikhlas, encompasses everything. So without being sincere, it is useless. That's the reason the scholars, they call La ilaha illallah the most important sentence in the whole universe. The most important kalma in Islam as kalma al-ikhlas.